everyone, it's Jenny, and today I'm going to share with you my August 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. So let's check out the bag. Now I know it may come off as black, but it's actually like a dark hunter green almost, which I kind of like better than just a plain black, because we've gotten plain black bags before. So I don't know, I kind of liked it. I was a little bit intrigued by the color of the bag. I'm not sure how well my lighting's going to pick it up, but it's not black, it's green. So most of you know, but if you don't know, Ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription service. So they'll send you hair care, makeup, skincare, all that kind of fun stuff if you're into it. So let's see what the theme of the month is, shall we? And it is August 2019. Bear yourself. Okay, I get it. I actually did include, no, I didn't get a bonus item, but I was able to pick one of my items, and I was super excited that I got to pick this item. So I'll start off with that one. And of course the card that kind of tells you about everything. So I'll set that to the side here. So first off is an eyeshadow from, is it Suva Beauty eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Coriander. I have a ton of eyeshadow shades that are just like this. It's a pretty shade, but I'm going to throw it in a giveaway I'm going to have coming up. I'm stocking stuff up for a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. So we'll read about it. It's a Suva Beauty eyeshadow in Coriander. Easy to apply, opaque, water resistant. Honestly, what more could you want in an eyeshadow? This cream powder hybrid formula delivers all of that and then some. Plus this golden pearl shade is so fun for all of your into summer looks. So it's definitely pretty. I just have so many like it. I have so many eyeshadows, you all. I'm trying to use up my palettes. I'm trying not to really buy anything if I don't need it, you know, because I just feel like I'm overwhelmed. At this point, I'm overwhelmed with all the stuff. So here's the item I was going to start with that I got to pick. And this is from Sunday Riley, and it's their Tidal Cream Aqua. Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Goodness gracious. So it says that this Sunday Riley Total Brightening Enzyme Water Cream, this cream has 2 types of hyaluronic acid to really help lock in moisture, and tamarind extract to help extract and plump your skin. And we love a multitasker. It contains papaya enzyme extract to exfoliate, brighten dark spots, and minimize hyperpigmentation. I'm actually using a Sunday Riley product that I really like. I'll probably have a 5-minute review on it, but I'm really putting the test to it. But man, Sunday Riley's so expensive. It's so good, everything I've tried though. But I'm super excited I got to pick that. This is another item I'm throwing in a future giveaway, and this is from Papa Recipe Bombee Honey Moisture Cleansing Foam. So it's a cleanser, it's a foam, and it says this Korean skincare, and I love Korean skincare. It's so good. Brynn believes the best products are made with natural, healthy, raw ingredients. Great for dry skin types. This foaming cleanser made with honey, propolis, and olive fruit oil gets rid of dirt, oils, and makeup while nourishing skin with moisture. So I have so many cleansers as well. Like I said, I just feel overwhelmed by how many products I have. So I'm really trying to use what I have, and you know, the extra stuff that I get that I'm going to use, I can certainly throw in a giveaway. Somebody else can definitely get some use out of them. Next item, it's a brush. You all know I love my brushes, and I'll actually take it out of here. I love the handle on this. It's so pretty. This is from SLMISSGLAM. It's an E61 angled shadow brush, which I have used a few of the SLMISSGLAMs. I've got them at Ipsy. They're great brushes. Created by YouTuber and beauty guru Stephanie Lewis, SLMISSGLAM is known for unique, eye-catching makeup brushes. They had us at the beautiful emerald green and glitter handle, but this synthetic bristled brush hugs the contours of our lids and blends pigments like a dream. So you could definitely use it. It's a crease brush. You can almost use it to contour your nose with. I love getting makeup brushes. I love getting makeup brushes in my Ipsy. That and sheet mask, my two favorites. So last but not least, I'm super excited about this product because mascaras is one of those things that I always kind of run, you know, I go through it. That, concealers, and foundations now, because those are the things I really use up a lot of. I've got so many blushes, so many highlights, so much eyeshadow, but this is a mascara and it's from Thrive Causemetics. And it is a liquid lash extensions mascara in Brynn. A single swap of this mascara made our skimpy lashes look like extensions. Say what now? Say what? If it does that, oh my goodness. This innovative cone-shaped wand adds definition, separate lashes, and helps prevent clumping, while the formula is infused with soft fibers for dramatic length and lift. So super excited about this. Love getting the brush. I got 2 items I can throw in a giveaway. I'm sure they are good items. And then the Sunday Riley that I got to pick, super excited to try that. So that was everything in my Ipsy Glam Bag for August 2019. Hope you give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love to have you here. I do have a giveaway coming up in the future. I'm getting stuff together for it, and you have to be subscribed in order to enter. And with that, I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.